Why Mum always at the right side of the table? It's called the camisa, or upper seat logic, that applied to the camera. In professional Japanese media production, this isn't just good framing, it is a strict adherence to saho, which is etiquette, and kaikyu, rank. When you see the mother on the right, the director is visually acknowledging her as the head of the household, or the provider. In the language of kamite, the right side of the screen is the seat of honor. It commands authority and respect. While on the left, the scene establishes serifu as the learner or the protected, because she is in the seat of the humble observer. This scene also creates a visual slope. Our eyes reads from left to right, moving from the smallest or simplest element to the most significant element. It reinforces the order of the world, which is a key psychological trigger for the healing of iyashikei effect. If the world is in order, the viewer feels safe.